12,000, but we couldn't have a glance at him. So all the members, the managements, they were like stick to him altogether. He was just for 10 minutes. We couldn't see him for a bit. So it was a disaster, I can say. No one, the public was booing him. Like we were all waited 2 hours for there. Okay, we were there for 2 hours from morning. Okay, people were like very enthusiastic. They were shouting and all, but Messi came. The people, they were playing, I don't know why they were playing, how they were playing. Messi was there and they were just eager to sign their own jerseys. The political leaders somewhere there, they were eager to click pictures with them. Okay, so yes, that's he said, that's just a scam, a business. They have made a profit out of the people's money. So it's just a scam.
Sorry, it's a
scam. It's a scam. Yeah.
Total scam.
And one more, Mumbai and Delhi, I don't know it will happen in there as well. But in Kolkata, the people, the love for football is too much. We love the football, the love for Messi is too much. But the whatever we experience here is not at all we experienced in last, like Messi came into 2011. That time also we saw there, but it was a disaster. It was a scam. It was a business. That's it. Thank you.
We all see that Messi left.
Yeah.
Just within 10 minutes.
Right.
What's your experience over there?
Actually, if I had been in Messi's position, I would have done the same. Seeing the utter chaos, the management, the authorities, absolutely rubbish. All of the people that you see here, we all love football. Genuinely, we wanted to see Messi a glimpse, but it was a total scam. We want our money back, to be honest. And Mr. Shatabdu Datta, who's the main person behind this event, he did a good job, but unfortunately the management was so bad. It is a black day for Kolkata. Kolkata is known for football and we love football, we love Argentina. But this experience is absolutely a scam. The people, if the ministers was there with their sons, daughter, everybody. The other people we could not see one. You can see, everyone is saying the same thing. This is absolutely not done. We are very hurt. My name is Rahul. Thank you.
ভেঙে দিল
उनका बेटिंग ही में जा रहा है। बेटिंग में
अच्छा अभी भी जा ही रहा है। स्टेडियम जो है यहाँ पे जब इतना बड़ा
completely broken down as this unruly mob is rampaging through the Salt Lake Stadium. You can see that the police have been outnumbered by this unruly mob, which is not only vandalizing the sound system, vandalizing the chairs, vandalizing different parts of the stadium, just running amok at the Salt Lake Stadium, angry that they couldn't get a glimpse of the Argentinian superstar, and they are just destroying the entire stadium out of this sense of anger that they have. And the security has completely broken down. A huge embarrassment for the West Bengal government. The first leg of the GOAT tour of the Argentinian footballer Lionel Messi, the football legend. And given the fact that Kolkata is one of the meccas of football fandom, these scenes just paint the entire nation in a very poor light when it comes to hosting an international superstar like Lionel Messi. You can see the unruly mob throughout Salt Lake Stadium picking up chairs, uprooting them from their hinges at the stadium and throwing them onto the ground. Then taking those long steel poles and vandalizing, as you can see on the right side of your screen, different parts of the stadium. And as you can see, clearly deployment not done when it comes to the pandemonium that has erupted on the ground. One police officer trying to contain a mob of hundreds, clearly not many personnel on the ground. The rapid action force that has also been deployed, not able to contain the mob, and they have even gone to the pavilions. There are different pavilions across the Salt Lake Stadium, and they have just lost all sense of control and semblance and are vandalizing different parts of the stadium. These are the unruly scenes coming in from Kolkata, one of the meccas of football fandom, where these are the scenes which have emerged in the Salt Lake Stadium after Lionel Messi came. He said a hi to everyone. He was at the center of the stadium, but the fans wanted a closer look. He was supposed to take a lap of the stadium. That's what reports suggest. The fans wanted a closer look, but because he just went to the center of the stadium and he exited the stadium, this is the fury that has erupted at the Salt Lake Stadium, where fans have now lost complete control. The security situation has completely broken down, where the police also has no handle on the entire situation, and fans are just running amok. In fact, my colleague Kamalka Sengupta is reporting from inside Salt Lake Stadium, where all this pandemonium is taking place. Kamalka, what scenes are you seeing right now? Complete breakdown of law and order inside Salt Lake Stadium.
Absolute ruckus out there. I will try to show you again. This is the situation. This is how they are breaking the different parts of Salt Lake Stadium. This is the main area from where generally the players, they come out. So this is that zone which is still now it is going on, and still now they are creating entire ruckus out here, which is absolutely unprecedented. This has not been seen. This is something which is absolutely uncalled for. Look at the way they are actually treating the property of Salt Lake Stadium. They are annoyed, but there has been a clear security breach in the entire thing. There has been, people have come first from that side. Would like to show you, would like to tell you what happened for our viewers.